Hi everybody, I'm Susan from LV&More and I have a unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like. And if you're returning, thanks again for your support. I do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. I've been waiting for this for quite a while. It took over 2 months to order. So let's see what I finally received from LV in Edmonton. They were able to order it for me, but it took over 2 months. And then they shipped it out on the 11th, and I just received it today. So it took about 10 days in the mail. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's see. Okay. Air paper, I'll save, it's not really good air paper, so we won't save that. And my receipt. So I don't know why they did it that way, but it happens. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, they didn't fold up the receipt right in the yellow, or they call it saffron. Basically, it's kind of a yellowy orange. So there you go. That's the receipt. Here's the box. There's no ribbon. So I guess they forgot that. Normally they put a ribbon on it, a blue ribbon with like a little note card, but they must have forgot, or somebody else did this packaging, because normally my SA Elena, she puts a blue ribbon on here. So anyways, not a big deal, but normally she does that. Alright, so let's go ahead, draw box. Alright, and I didn't get a dust cover either. Normally I do. So that's what it looks like. And it looks like there's some patina on here. I guess because I've had to wait so long that it's patinaed. Oh boy. Yeah, okay. Alright, but it's still pretty good, but it's pretty little. Alright, that's what I have today. Please leave your comments below. What have you recently received from LV? Were you happy with it? Did they do anything special for you? Didn't do anything for you? So leave them in the comments below. I like to hear some stories because I've had some real nightmares. It is getting better, but I don't know. You have to wait forever for items. You don't get the items that you want. So it's a little disheartening, kind of. And so I've kind of branched out to Fendi, and I'm waiting for an item to come back. So we'll see how that goes. It's getting repaired. Had a broken handle. So anyways, that's going to take about 2 to 3 months. So when it comes back, I'll let everybody know. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good weekend. Bye now.